Welcome to Rajasasila Holistics. Let's check the energies for Librans this week. From this week, I am going to give a yes or no session. That is 3 questions I will be answering. You make a questionnaire and keep at the end of the session I will be giving. Be ready and watch till the end. And one question per your question. One question I will take a card. I will say whether your question is yes or wrong. So that's how it's going to be. So now let's check the general energies this week for you guys. First card is King of Cups. You need to be balanced. Things are going to be, it's a successful week for you, but you need to put your brain over your emotions. That is very important. Don't go by the flow of your emotions. The Hierophant card also says the same way. Things will happen your way. Everything is good, but it will go in a conventional way, not in the way you want. It will go on its own course. 9 of Cups. You will be in a satisfied position. That's what this card says. You need to be little bit patient, but you will be in a satisfied position by the end of this week. Tower card says that you need to change your way of thinking and your plans, otherwise it may be disastrous. So that's what this card says. 5 of Swords. This card says a big fight is there. You need to do a lot of defense from your side to make your plan successful. This card says don't put too much of effort in your new plans. It may be disastrous, and that disaster will be a big fight you have to do. You can be the opponent, you can be the winner, it can be either the side, but this card says you will be the loser, so be careful guys. And 4 of Pentacles says that you need to be little bit slow. Don't flare up. That's what this card says. You have to control yourself, your feelings, your emotions and your plans. And also on the whole, when I can tell you that you need to go by the flow. Don't be in a hurry. At the end of the week you will be satisfied, but it will go in a conventional way. You have to control your emotions, because too much of emotion and doing something, some plan with stupidity will be disastrous, and you will be in a position of very awkward position where you need to fight a lot. So you need to control yourself. That's what this card says. Now let's see whether these cards, in which pretext they have come, your love life or your career life. What is it? Ace of Swords. So mostly your career side will be a little bit challenging this week, so that's the thing there. Now we will see what the ignition code says. Ignition code says you need to bend. You need to bend a little bit now. Wisdom plays a important role, not your emotions. That's what this says. And 2 cards have come. One is Nadir and another is Siameki. The Siameki means you have an imaginative enemy around you. So be careful. Don't think everybody to be opposite to you and fight with them. And Nadir means being not very happy. That means that when things are not happening according to your wish, you become very depressed and all. Don't be like that. You need to be vibrant and take wise decisions with wisdom. That's what this says. So this card also says that be in a happy position, so need not worry about the situation. Little bit bending is no problem, otherwise it may be disastrous. So yes or no session we will go. Are you ready guys? The first question for you is answer is 7 of Wands. A no. Answer is no. Second question, whatever it is, the Lovers, yes. The second answer is yes. Third question, Strength, yes. You have to increase your inner strength to make it correct. The first question says lot of opposition will be there, so no. Lovers, it says lot of cooperation is there, yes. And third question is you have to increase or do with your inner wisdom, so yes. So if you like this session, like, share and subscribe.